Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angela here. What it do? You guys, I have an unboxing and an unboxing story to tell you guys about. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so my doorbell just rung. I ordered some more items, of course you guys, from Coach. And based on my last item that I just got 2 days ago, I have to hurry up and do this right now. Because the other thing, I'm going to show you that first. What I got 2 days ago, she's not happy. So first, let me show you that. Hold on, let me get the box. So you guys, I want you guys to see the box. It has my address on this top side right here. This is the box that I got from Coach. Do you see the size of this box, right? It came from Coach.com. Let me show you what I got. Okay, you guys, I bit the bullet and bought the Coach Ruby Satchel 18. And this is in the color Papaya. Yeah, Papaya Multi. You guys know that I have the Army Green one. I love that one. I will show it to you, but guess what? The kid has it right now. But anyway. This bag came in this little box. When I tell you I opened the box and it was squished, you know how an old orange looks? How it was like this. And I was hot. I was waiting to do this unboxing with you guys. But it was like midnight, 1 a.m. and something in my spirit was like, open the box, open the box, just open the box. So I opened it and y'all, I was hot. Do you hear me? Granted, I got this on sale. The green one was $3.50. I paid the whole amount for the green one. This one was $100 and I got it for $172 and some change. That's what I paid for it. But I was like, it was not wrapped. This is how it came, y'all. It did come in a dust bag. But I was like, I was hot. Do you hear me? I went online. It sold out everywhere. At that price. It sold out everywhere. So I was talking to the kiddo and she was like, Mom, just try to stuff it. So I did stuff it. So it has been stuffed for a little bit more than 24 hours now. And it does look better than it did when I received it. But y'all, why they do that? I've heard people say today that Coach puts their items in too small of boxes, but I had never experienced that. I still don't know. I'm still a little bit on the fence if I'm going to keep this or not. It's only been like 2 days, but I do like this one. I got this one over the red orange one because this is more of my speed. Like, y'all know I only wear black mostly anyway, but I can get with this. I do like the colors. I do still love the bag in general. It's just that I was not happy about it coming looking like an old orange. Like, no. So, I'm still on the fence. I'm like, the kiddo said keep it. I think because she wants it, low-key. But, the kid said just keep it stuffed and, you know, keep it. But I don't know. Has that ever happened to any of you guys? Like, So this was the first item that I received. Okay, you guys, like I said, this just came today, like a few minutes ago. So I ordered 2 things. Let me start with the smallest thing first. So this. How much did I pay for this? $58.65 for this. This is not for me. I ordered this for the kiddo. And I'm going to do another video showing you why I got this. Take all this off. This came in black, pink, and black, green, and orange, I think. Like a, not really lime green, but you know, like green, okay? This is called the Pebble Leather Jamie wristlet. It's a wristlet, but you know, you can wear it as like a little handbag too. In a way, it kind of gives you Nolita vibes. But I got this strictly for the babes. Can you guys see? It has 2 card slots over here on this side right here. Little care booklet. And there's nothing on this side. It's just open like that. So like I said, I got this for the babe. And it's not bad for 50 something dollars, right? No pockets or anything. Just simple. So this is what I got. I'm moving this, y'all, because I want you guys to see how this was packaged. Did this come from Coach or Coach Outlet? This came from the outlet. Okay, look. You see how this is smushed in here? It's still early enough for me to go back to UPS and send this right on back. So this was an urgent unboxing. Look at it. Trying to find out, see what I paid and what is this called. This is the leather filled tote size 22, and this is in the color ivory. I paid $153 for this. I thought that this was so freaking adorable online. I'm not really big on the Coach signature on their bags. However, I just thought that this was absolutely stunning. The dust bag. Let's pull all of this out. The strap. So this is just a big hole. Over here on the side there is a zipper pocket over here on the side with just like the care booklet and things in it. And this is the gist of the bag. I like it. I don't have a bag this color. You guys know I have my Marc Jacobs tote bag that I love, but I don't have anything this color. I like it. What do we think? What do we think? It's not smushed or anything. I have to really look because that ruby had me hot. You hear me? It does have feet on the bottom, which is good. Let's take this off. here's the strap. It's like it's a mauve color. I was going to say lavender, but this is like a tan and a mauve color. This is pretty. This is very, very pretty. And it has the leather straps on here. This is adjustable. Yes. Yes. I like this. I am pleased. I am overall pleased with this. Now you guys know I do have the, girl, what's the size? One moment. So you know I do have this signature field tote. I want to say this is in the size 32. I have yet to wear this one. But I do have this one. And for me to say I don't really like the Coach print, I really don't. But for these, this works. This works. So here they are, side by side. The 22 and the 32. Get in frame. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. And also for color reference, I'm going to show you, I have a bag in chalk. Let me show you that one. Okay, here is a bag in the color, this bag is in the color chalk, and then this is ivory. So you guys can see the color difference. They're the same, but they're different, right? So, what do we think about this? Do we love it? I think this one is a keeper for sure. We're happy. And you guys, true story, another reason why I got this is because you guys know this is my love, and she's really been getting used lately. So I was like, you need a break, sis. So size comparison. Let me try to that way. Let me move this, all of this. Try to show you. Can you see? I have to do some mod shots so you guys can see the size difference. It's not really that much. Not really. Yeah, I'll have to put in some other shots for you guys. I was just like, no, before UPS closed, if this wasn't right, it was going back today. Do you hear me? Okay, you guys, here's the bag again with all of the wrapping off. Here's the other side. This strap is so beautiful. I think this is what makes it for me. Like, that is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Yes, I love it. And to close this bag, you guys, it has a snap closure. So this is how it looks closed. Like that. Move the strap so you guys can see. So this is how it looks closed. Personally, I don't like how it looks closed. I'll just keep it open. And I'll get a bag organizer for this. And if you would like, you know, you can get a bag organizer that has a zipper across so nobody can just reach down in your bag. But I like the way it looks open better. Yeah. So as you guys can see, here the bag is in comparison to my little brown bag from Bloomingdale's. As you can see, they are the same height. The width on the little brown bag is wider. Well, maybe not. Let's see. Yeah, not by much, but the width on the little brown bag is wider. Okay. Okay, as you can see right here, the Coach is longer than the little brown bag. As you can see right here. Okay. So when it comes to my Marc Jacobs, of course, move the strap out the way. Marc Jacobs is longer, as you guys can see over here. Not by much. The Coach is actually taller than the Marc Jacobs bag. Big strap. And the Marc Jacobs is a little bit, as you can see by the seam right here, it's a little bit wider. Not by much though. So pretty much they're really about the same size. Marc Jacobs just a little bit wider. So yeah. And then again, in comparison to the size 32, the field tote, see? I just have them stuffed. So, as you can see right here, I might fold the straps up and put them on the inside. Yeah. So that's that. Alright, you guys, so that pretty much concludes this double unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.